Hi, I'm Sean, and I'm building SuggestPilot to transform how people think, search, and ask questions on web browsers. The way this extension works is it looks up the context across your tab, your hit tree, and based on your browsing behavior, when you type a single keyword, it tries to give you suggestions based on it.
So this saves you 1 minute of thinking, 3 minutes of typing, or 4 minutes each time you type.
Let me show you how it works.
So I'm a music guy and I tend to install digital audio workstations. So I tend to ask questions such as how to install plugins or how to install MIDI keyboards. And that's what I'm going to do here now for plugins. For example, I'm going to ask on traditional search versus the one that I have on SuggestPilot. So let's see that. So let me type how to over here. As you can see, you've got different queries not related to what I will not ask for. Now I'm going to go on AI tool and ask for it. I'll just simply write plugins. So what are the best plugins for Ableton installation? Straight away, we have got that question and I will just put that. And steps to installation steps and process, exactly what I wanted. I will just push the tab button and ask the question. Here, so we have got quite a few answers here.
So my vision is to make suggestions as accurate as possible. Just a week ago, I've open sourced the technology and they've got more than 10 people contributing to the repository. So if you would like to support us, you can support us using the GitHub sponsors link. We are also backed by Open Collective, so whatever option feels best to you. And hopefully you guys will enjoy the extension. You can install it from Web Store or from the GitHub repository. So